What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And in today's video, we're going to go over the Ultimate Guru's 200k per month business strategy. As we all know, you all see them online: Andrew Tate, Iman Gadzhi, Luke Belmar, Alex Ramosi is not really a guru anymore, but they're all using the same strategy, right? And first things first, what are they so good at? Because you see them everywhere on social media. You've seen Andrew Tate, Iman, Alex Ramosi, Luke. If you don't know these guys, you've probably been living under a rock. If you do know these guys, you probably haven't been living under a rock. But that's not the point because they're all good at something very specific, right? Iman Gadzhi is great at doing the lifestyle. Alex Ramosi is great in sharing opinions and values. Luke Belmar is very, very great at storytelling and his tonality and like sounding very motivational and inspiring. And Andrew Tate, of course, with the way he's doing the attention grabbing by being controversial and just overall, they're very good at attracting views and attracting an audience to their personal brand. And they use short form videos to do exactly that, right? You see them every day. They're posting short form videos, they're posting Instagram posts, they're posting on Twitter, IG, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, everywhere. And what does that get them, right? Because when we post videos, we get one thing, and the thing that we get is attention, right? And this is what we want to get, guys. This is what we want to get from the people. We want to get their attention. And once we have their attention, we can funnel these people from the short form videos to the long form videos. And that's where the basically broad and better comes for this whole strategy, because that's where you have the chance to actually build trust with your viewers, right? Because a short form video is only maybe a 30-second video. And even if you do lifestyle, you're not providing so much value, right? And you want to make sure you provide value in the short form videos so you can funnel them, grab their attention, and funnel them to the long form videos. And once you have them in your long form videos, that's where you can start making the money and provide the most amount of value, right? Because you can build their trust, right? The way Iman is speaking in his videos and showing that he started at such a young age shows that he is doing this for a long time, and that builds trust, right? You can also grow your audience by doing the long form videos because people will actually like you for who you are. It's hard to get people to follow you from a 30-second video, but if they actually listen to you for 10, 12, or maybe even 20 minutes, that's where they actually build trust and follow you, and where you can grow your audience. And then besides that, the long form videos is a great way to prove that what you're doing is actually true, right? You see Andrew Tate showing a lot of his people being successful, Iman Gadzhi talking about his agency and the money he has made, and then Luke Belmar talking about the crypto money he has made, Alex Ramosi about acquiring businesses and helping them scale even further. And they all have proof of that. And proof actually builds trust too. And it actually makes people want to follow you, right? So your main focus in the long form videos is to provide value to these people by either credibility, proof, trust, growing your audience. It's just the three most important things that you want to focus on when making long form videos. That's also why I'm making this video right now, guys, because I want to provide as much value to you in regards to social media and how to scale your business through social media to, for example, 200k per month. And this is exactly how you're going to do it. If you are a coach or you have a course, this is the exact strategy that you want to follow. So yeah, let's continue. So once you provide them with value in the long form videos, right, that's where the conversion will happen. Because this whole system here, this is basically the best organic inbound funnel, right? You provide them with either a pain or value in your short form videos, either through storytelling, opinions and values, lifestyle, or attention grabbing. And then you funnel them with the attention to the long form videos. And then there you provide even more value. So they will get on a call with you or your team members. And that's where you can get the sale for example, your course. And your course or info product should be solving very simple general problems. And yeah, it's just the simple problems that people face when starting an online business, or the easy problems that they have with relationships, the easy problems that they have with fitness. It should all just be modules solving the most simple problems. But the main important thing of this course, guys, because this is basically the entry level of your whole 200k per month business, because once you have created the course and people start following the course that you made, you can actually create more problems for those people, right? Because if you only solve the simple problems for a specific business model or for relationships or for health or gym, they they're going to have more questions if you make the course the right way. And when you create more problems for these people, they are going to go and solve these problems with the person who solved their previous problems as well, which is you, right? So you actually sell them the course, you create more problems, and all they want to do is solve their problems with you because you, in the first place, solved their first problems. So once you create more problems, that's where you can actually upsell them. The people who want more detailed information and or guidance from you specifically, because you are the one who solved their problems in the beginning as well, right? Notice how I said that like 3 or 4 times right now. You want to make sure that you create the problems so they will come back to you and you can upsell them for either a private community or a one-on-one. And this is where the real money is, guys, because you can maybe sell like a $500 to $1,500 course, but if they want your help or they want your time, and I know your time is so valuable, that's where you upsell them for a very high ticket one-on-one, maybe 7,500 to 10K offer. And of course, the private community can be a monthly retainer, right? So maybe $100, $250 per month retainer for people that are already doing well with the course, because only the people that are doing well in your course will have more problems that need to be solved, and they can help each other by solving these problems within the private community, and of course with the one-on-one help that you will give, right? Because they want more detailed information and guidance from you. You can give them the detailed information and you can give them the guidance, and also other people in the community can give them the information, and then the whole circle goes back again, right? But the main important thing in order to fulfill this whole funnel, right, is the content team. And what is a content team? A content team is the team that ensures that the output of the short form, the long form, anything regarding social media is being made, right? You want to make sure you post the amount of short form videos that you want to post, like twice a day. You want to post at least 2 YouTube videos every week. You want to post 5 Twitter posts. You want to stay active on an email list. You want to post IG posts, right? You want to stay on top of the game when it comes to content, but this is going to cost you so much time. And what's your most valuable thing? Well, as I mentioned before here, your most valuable thing is time. So you want to buy back your time with the content team and maximize the output of these videos, right? You think Iman, Andrew, Alex, or even Luke, they're doing the videos themselves? They're editing their videos all days, or they are coming up with the ideation all day? No. Iman, Alex Ramosi, Luke, Andrew, they all have a videographer, short form editors, a content team, and creative director, head of production. They all have this team to automate this whole process, right? And that's something that's so important because it will save you so much time. So once you build out the content team, and if you need a content team or you need help with automating this whole process of creating videos, staying active on social media, creating long form videos to eventually funnel people towards a sales call, well, if you need my help, I can help you because I've done exactly that for the last 3 years. I've been helping people blow up their personal brand and actually turn their viewers into sales. I know this whole process. You can watch my other videos for more proof as well. But what I'm talking about here today, guys, is exactly what I do. And it's also exactly what I'm good with, right? In one of my previous videos, you can see I did over 50K per month from one of my clients. And that was just through one organic funnel, right? So make sure you outsource the process, as you want to focus on working on the business and not inside the business. And you don't want to be editing videos all day, scripting videos all days, or even doing everything yourself when it comes to social media, because it just takes so much time, and you also probably don't have the knowledge about getting actual results, right? But then the circle just continues again, because you want to target these people again with providing value or touching their pain points. And I would say touching their pain points specifically for the course sellers is the easiest, right? Calling out the fat people that they want to lose weight, or calling out the broke people that they can't help their parents and they have to make more money in order to help their parents. Or you can simply provide them with with so much value, like explaining them exactly in 5 ways how to do X, Y, and Z, or like how to lose fat in 30 days, for example, for the fitness offer. So, yeah, provide value and target their pain points, because that's what will grab their attention the most through the short form videos. And then the whole cycle goes around again, right? So, yeah, if you want, you can screenshot this, or you can just look at this for a second and let it sink in, because guys, this is exactly how all of these bigger guys are making their money. Iman says he's doing SMMA. Iman is not doing SMMA. He is selling a course. Alex Ramosi is basically not selling a course. He gave everything away for free, but it's his lead magnet, right? Because his free course online and the free books that he wrote are a lead magnet to get people to over 1 mil a year, and then he will help you scale to even more a year. Luke Belmar, he has Capital Club. It's a community, it's also a course. And then Andrew Tate has, of course, his course as well. So that's basically the same strategy that all these guys are using, and they are printing, guys. They're probably doing way more than 200K per month. I can 100% tell Alex Ramosi and Iman are doing way more than 200K per month with their business, and so can you. This is not hard, guys. I want you to realize that this is probably one of the easiest ways to implement into your business right now so you can make money using your social media. So, as I said before, if you want to have help with this, or you want to build out the team, help someone that will actually get you results, or get someone that will actually get you results for your content and for your social media, so you can focus on turning those viewers into sales and make money with your business, then just book a call down below or just shoot me a DM on Instagram. I will respond to any questions you might have. But yeah, guys, don't sleep on this strategy, as this can make you so much money. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I know it's a pretty short one, and it's also, I don't want to overcomplicate things, right? So keep things simple, follow this exact strategy, and you will be printing money. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video, as I want to provide more and more value to you guys for free. As you know, as you can tell by my other videos, I'm basically giving away every single thing I know for free on my social media. So if you like this video, make sure to like, leave a comment if you have any questions regarding social media or making money online. And yeah, that's it for this week's video. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.